Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make lemongrass chicken balls. They're very easy, simple to make, but delicious to eat. Please watch and enjoy. Dear viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. We're going to show you today how to make lemongrass chicken balls. Basically, we got 250 grams of minced chicken. Now I'm going to add to it some onion, some garlic, some spring onion, fresh coriander, fish sauce, soya sauce, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Now we're going to mix them. We mix it well, and now I'm going to add our corn flour. We're going to add some corn flour. Viewers, look, we make a balls and we're going to stack the lemongrass in it. Okay, we're going to put it on the plate. Viewers, you're going to make them, and you make sure you keep it in the fridge for at least half an hour. Now we're going to fry them. We're going to put them in the fryer now. We put it in the fryer and we're going to fry them until the chicken is cooked here. Our chicken are ready. Viewers, that's my lemongrass chicken balls. Look at that, how cute they look. Oh, the smell and the aromas was delicious. Oh, look at that. Viewers, enjoy my beautiful and lovely lemongrass chicken balls. Enjoy and bon appetit.